Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to enable dark mode in Facebook app for Android officially. So this is my Android smartphone, so let us start. So first of all you have to update your Facebook app to the latest version. So just open your Google Play Store and just do a search for Facebook. So let me do that. So here I have this Facebook, just tap on this. And you can see guys it's opened, and you can see guys I don't have any update button over here because I recently updated it. If you see the update button, just tap on the update button in order to update your Facebook app to the latest version. And after updating you can open your Facebook app by tapping on this open button over here, and also you can go back to your home screen and find your Facebook app. So let me find my Facebook app. So here is my Facebook app. So you have to tap on this to open it. So let me tap on this, and you can see guys it's opened, and you can see I don't have any dark mode enabled in this Facebook app. So in order to enable dark mode you have to tap on this menu icon, this three horizontal lines at the top right. So let me tap on this, and after that guys you have to scroll down at the very bottom and find this option, settings and privacy, and you have to tap on it to expand it. So let me tap on this, and you can see it's now expanded. And after that guys you have to go to this option, dark mode, and then you have to tap on it to open it. So let me tap on this, and I have this a dark mode screen opened, and on this screen guys you can see I have three options: on, off, and third option we have is use system settings. So currently I have this off option selected. So in order to enable dark mode, just select this option on, and you can also select this option use system settings. So let me explain this. Okay, so here I have this message. Let's read that. We will adjust your appearance based on your device system settings. So if you select this option, and if you have enabled a dark mode on your Android device, then Facebook will be in dark mode. And if you don't have that, then Facebook app will not be in dark mode. So let me show you this option first, and after that I will show you this option also. So in order to enable dark mode, just select this option on. So let me tap on this, and you can see guys we have this dark mode enabled in Facebook app. And if I go back, you can see we have this dark mode enabled in Facebook app. You can see, and if I go to the home screen, you can see we have this dark mode enabled. So let me show you, a third option also. So let me tap on this menu icon. Let me scroll down. Let me tap on this dark mode. Okay. So here I have this, third option, use system settings. So if I select this option, let me select that. Okay, you can see we don't have dark mode enabled because my Android system is not in dark mode. So let me, enable dark mode on my Android device. So let me select this settings. Let me tap on this search settings, this box. Let me do a search for a dark mode. It's searching. I need to wait. Okay, so here I have this dark mode in display and screen. Let me tap on this, and I have this dark mode screen opened. So here I have this dark mode. Let me enable this toggle. Let me tap on this, and it's enabled. You can see I have this dark mode enabled on my Android device. And if I go back, you can see. So let me go back and open my Facebook app. So here is my Facebook app. Let me tap on this to open it. You can see guys it's opened, and you can see we have this dark mode enabled in Facebook app. Let me go back. You can see we have this dark mode enabled. Let me go to the home screen. You can see guys, but I want to enable dark mode in Facebook app forever. I don't want to depend on device system settings. So let me select first option, that is on. So let me tap on this menu icon. Let me scroll down. Let me tap on this settings and privacy. Let me select this dark mode. Okay, let me select this option on, and it will be forever. It won't be dependent on device system settings. So let me go back. Let me go to the home screen. So that's it. In this way, you can easily enable dark mode in Facebook app for Android officially. So thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks. Bye bye.